Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to delete Instagram account on iPhone. If you're using an iPhone and you want to delete your Instagram account, so let's see how can you easily do that. You just have to simply open your Instagram app here, and here just tap on your profile option in the bottom right corner, then tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Here select account center, then select personal details option, select account ownership and control. Select deactivation or deletion. Select your Instagram account and here select delete account. If you want to deactivate your account temporarily for some time, so you can easily select the first one. Or if you want to completely delete that account, you just have to select the second one option. Select delete account, then select continue option from here. Select continue again. And here you can choose any reason if you want. Then select continue again. Here select continue and after that your account will be permanently deleted from Instagram. So in this way you can easily delete your Instagram account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.